Hi everyone, my name is Clint and I'm going to show you my web application. A web application designed to manage pet listing for adoption. It features a clean, responsive interface that allows users to browse available pets and administrators to manage the inventory. We'll start by logging in. The app uses a secure authentication system. Once logged in as an administrator, you'll notice a new management option appear in the navigation bar, such as Add Pit, Manage, and let's look at our current inventory. Here we have tiger and an Aranda goldfish. If we need to adjust the price, for instance, if we're running a promotion, we can simply hit edit and I'll change the price from $150 to $100 and update pit. Uh, if a pit is no longer available or was listed by mistake, the deletion process is straightforward by clicking delete and the app asks for an final confirmation to prevent accidental data loss. Once confirmed, the listing is removed instantly. And now let's add a new arrival pit and we'll input the name Maui and select the species dog and the breed and the years. And we set the price and upload a high quality photo to help Maui to find a home. As soon as we create PIT, the record is saved to the database and redirected to the detail view, confirming the upload was successful. Finally, when we log out, we return to the public facing side of the shop. Potential adopters can see updated listings like Maui and view all the details to make an informed decision. And Clint Pet Shops provides a seamless experience for both the shop owner and the pet lovers. And thank you.